Hi Gandhi class, it was so fantastic seeing you on our live session this morning. Thank you so much for all of your feedback about maths. It was great to hear that some of you, even though you found some parts of it tricky, you managed to work through it and you understood it in the end. So well done for persevering and working really hard. And it was also great to hear that a lot of you are doing this independently too. So well done for that. Now, some of you also said that you were finding it way too easy. So at the very end of this notebook, I have got some extra challenging questions for you to complete. And I'll talk you through them when we get to that point. So welcome to your fifth and final maths lesson for this week. And our learning objective for this lesson is, can I add two amounts of money? So in this lesson today, we are going to learn to know how to add the pounds first and when adding money, and to know that when adding the pence, we need to know to exchange it for pounds if it totals over 100. So that's to add pounds first when adding money, and then to exchange pence for pounds if it's over 100 pence. So here's a quick starter for us, looking at what we did yesterday. So on your mini whiteboard or a piece of paper, can you please have a go at finding out how much money this mathstronaut has and how much money this mathstronaut has? Pause the video to have a go. Okay, so let's have a look at this mathstronaut first. So let's look at our pounds. We've got a £10 note, a £5 note, a £1 coin, and another £1 coin. So 10 add 5 is 15, add 1 is 16, add another 1 is 17. So they've got £17 and 21 pence. We know it's 21 pence because we've got a 20 pence coin and a 1 pence coin. So well done if you've got £17 and 21 pence for this mathstronaut. Okay, and the next one, let's look at the pounds and then the pence. So we've got a £5 note, a £5 note, two £2 coins, three £1 coins. So let's add those together. £5 add £5 makes £10. Add another £2 makes £12. Add another £2 makes £14. Add 1 is 15. Another is 16. The last one is 17. So again, £17. And then let's have a look at the pence that's left over. You've got 10 pence, 10 pence, 1 pence. So let's add them together. 10 add 10 is 20. Add 1 is 21 pence. So then if we had to put a sign here, more than, less than, or equal to, what would we put? Pause the video to have a think. Well done if you got the equal sign. They've both got £17 and 21 pence. They've got the same amount, so it is equal. Well done if you got that. Okay, so let's have a look at using this part-whole diagram, and we're going to be adding money. So what we're going to do first is have a look at how much money we have in this part, and then how much money we have in this part. So let's start off with this one here. We've got a £5 note, a 50 pence coin, and a 10 pence coin. So let's add all the pounds together first, and we can see it's a £5 note, so we've got £5. And then we've got 50 pence, add 10 pence. What does 50 pence add 10 pence make? Pause the video and have a think. Well done if you got 60 pence. So in this part, we have £5 and 60 pence. Now in this part, let's have a look at the pounds and then the pence. So from this, can you identify the pounds that we have? Pause the video to have a think. Well done, we've got two £2 coins. So 2 add 2 is 4. So we've got £4. And then we've got 20 pence, 20 pence, and 10 pence left over. What is 20 pence, add 20 pence, add 10 pence? Pause the video to have a think. Well done if you got 50 pence. Now what we need to do is add together our pounds. So we've got £5, add £4. What is £5 add £4? Pause the video and have a think. Well done if you said £9. Then when we add the pence together, we get 110 pence. But we know that 100 pence is the same as £1. So using that, what is 110 pence the same as if we put it into pounds and pence? Pause the video to have a think. Well done if you said £1 and 10 pence. Now what we need to do is add together our pounds. So we've got £9, add £1, which equals £10. And then the pence we have left over is 10. So we have got £10 and 10 pence. Okay, great work, guys. So now what we need to do is write a number sentence to represent the bar model. But first we need to find out the total of money. So let's have a look at this part of the bar model first. We've got a £2 coin, 50 pence, 20 pence, and 10 pence. So let's add this part up together first. How many pounds do we have and how many pence? On your whiteboard, I would like for you to have a go at finding out how much money we have here. So it'll be something pounds and something pence. Pause the video to add these up together. Okay, great work. So we can see we've got a £2 coin. So that's £2 there. And then 50 add 20 add 10. 50 add 20 makes 70. Add 10 makes 80. So we've got £2 and 80 pence. Now we need to find out how much money we have here. So again, it's going to be something pounds and something pence. So what I want you to do is pause the video and add together how many pounds we have and the pence. Pause the video to do that on your mini whiteboard. Okay, so we've got £2, add £2, add £1. So 2 add 2 is 4, add the 1 gives us 5. So we've got £5. And then we've got 20, 20 and 5. So 20 pence, add 20 pence is 40, add the 5 gives us 45 pence. But we need to know how much we have all together. So what are we going to do with these amounts? Are we going to take away, add, times or divide? Pause the video and have a think. Well done if you said add. We're going to add them together. Okay, so we're going to start with adding our pounds first. So have a look. We have got £2 and £5. So £2, add £5 first. What is £2 add £5? Pause the video and have a think. Well done if you got £7. So that's £7 there for us. Now we're going to add together the pence. So we've got 80 pence, add 45 pence. Pence, can't forget the pence. Can you please have a go at working that out on your whiteboard? pause the video to add them together. 80 pence, add 45 pence. Well done if you got 125 pence. Okay. Now we need to use our knowledge of knowing that 100 pence is the same as £1. So how many pounds and how many, oh, sorry, let me not do that add sign there. Okay. So if we know that 100 pence is the same as £1, then what is 125 pence the same as if we write it in pounds and pence? Pause the video to work this out. Okay, great work. So because we've got 100 pence here, we've got £1 and then we've got 25 pence left over. So it's £1 and 25 pence. And now we need to add everything together. So we've got £7 here and £1 here. So 7 and add 1 is going to be £8. And we've got 25 pence left. So and 25 pence. And that's how we'd work out how much money we have all together by adding together the amounts. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. How much do the jeans and the t-shirt cost together? So the t-shirt is worth £6.90 and the jeans is worth £7.45. So here we'd have £6.90 add £7.45. Now using what we've just done, what are we going to do first? Pause the video to have a think. Well done if you said that we're going to add the pounds first. So £6, add £7. What does that equal? Pause the video and work it out on your mini whiteboard. Well done if you said it equals £13. Great work. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add together the pence. So 90 pence, add 45 pence. On your mini whiteboard, please can you work this out? Well done if you got 135 pence. Good work. Okay, now we need to use our knowledge of knowing that 100 pence is the same as £1. So if we've got 135 pence, what would that equal in pounds and pence? Pause the video to have a think. Okay, so because we've got 135 pence, that means we've got £1 and 35 pence. Now what we need to do is add together the amounts. So we need to add together the £13 from here and the £1 from here which gives us £14. And then the 35 pence, which gives us 35 pence here. So the jeans and the t-shirt altogether cost £14 and 35 pence. Okay, Henry visits the bakery and he has got £3. That's important. He's only got £3. Now we need to work out if he's got enough money to buy 2 donuts and a cookie. So let's have a look first at the prices of the donuts and the cookie. So 1 donut is 85 pence. But he wants 2 donuts. So then we're going to add another 85 pence. And 1 cookie. And the cookie costs £1 and 40 pence. Okay, so what we're going to need to do now is add together the pounds. So looking at this, can we see any pounds? Well done if you said that there is £1 and that's there. And now what we need to do is add together the pence. So you've got 85 pence, add 85 pence, add 40 pence. So let's start by adding 85, add 85. So 85, add 85. 5 add 5 makes 10. 8 add 8 is 16. Add the 1 gives us 170 pence. And now we need to add the 40 pence. So 170, add 40. 0 add 0 gives us 0. 7 add 4 is 11. And then 1 add 1 is 2. So we've got £1 and 210 pence. But we know that in £1 there is 100 pence. So how many pounds do we actually have? Pause the video and have a think. Okay, so we know that 210 pence is the same as £2 and 10 pence. So well done if you said that. What do you think we're going to do next? Pause the video and have a think. Okay, well done. So we're going to add the £1 and the £2 here, which gives us £3 and 10 pence. So does he have enough money to buy 2 donuts and a cookie? If he's only got £3, pause the video and have a think. Well done if you said no. He does not have enough money because it costs £3 and 10 pence, but he only has £3. Okay, now let's have a go at the next question. So the next question says, what 2 items could he buy with £3? So we need to have a look and see what items he could buy for £3, and we're only looking for 2. So let's have a look. Now we're going to try, let's have a look at the cookie. He's got £1 and 40 pence for the cookie here. And then we need to add it to another one here. Which one could we add to this? Which other item could we choose? Okay, let's have a go at adding the cupcake. So this is £1 and 65 pence. Now I'm going to type this bit just because I don't have a lot of space and typing is going to be a little bit smaller. Okay, so we're going to add together the pounds first. So £1 and £1 gives us £2. And then we've got 40 pence add 65 pence, which gives us what? Pause the video and have a think. Well done if you said 105 pence. Now, if we know that 105 pence is the same as £1 and 5 pence, and then we add the £2 and £1 together, which gives us £3, and then the pence, which gives us £5, can he afford the cookie and the cupcake? Well done, he can't, because he has not got enough money. He's only got £3 and this is 5 pence extra. So let's have a look at the next one that we could do. So again, let's do the cookie, £1 and 40 pence. And then let's try the donut. Add 85 pence. So let's look at the pounds together first. So we've only got £1 there. And then we need to do 40 add 85. So pause the video and try to work out 40 add 85. Okay, so 40 pence add 85 pence gives us 125 pence. Now we know that 125 pence is the same as saying £1 and 25 pence because there are 100 pence in £1. Now we need to add together the £1 and the £1, which gives us £2, and the pence, which gives us 25 pence. So he can afford the cookie and the donut. Okay, let's try another one then. So let's do the cookie again. So we've got £1 and 40 pence. And let's try the gingerbread man. Now I'm just going to get rid of some of the bits of information that we have here, only because it's making the page look quite messy. And I don't want you guys to struggle to see what we're doing. So let's get rid of that one. Okay, so this one here, just so that we remember, was the cookie and muffin. Okay, so we've got cookie and muffin, cookie and donut, and now this is going to be the cookie and the gingerbread man. So let's add together the pounds first. So £1 add £1 gives us what? £2, well done. And now we need to add together 40 add 60. So 40 pence add 60 pence, which is what? Pause the video to work it out. Well done if you said 100 pence. Now we know that 100 pence is the same as £1. So then £2 add £1 gives us £3. So can he afford the cookie and the gingerbread man? Well done if you said yes, he can afford it. So there are a couple more options as well that you could do to answer, but what I would like for you to do is work them out yourself and make sure that you upload that bit to Tapestry. So you need to work out and see if the muffin and the donut could be, or the muffin and the gingerbread man, and there are some other options as well. Okay, so your turn. You need to choose the activity that best suits you. Activity number 1. Complete the part whole models. So you need to add together £3 and 55 pence and £4 and 60 pence, and then put it in the hole And then B, £1.45, add £7.65 and put it in the hole. Then for parts C and D, you need to look at the bar model, look at how much is in one part and how much is in the other part, and you need to write a number sentence to represent it, and then I'd like for you to work it out as well. So you probably do something like £4.20, add £6.85, and then give me the whole as well. That's activity number 1. So pause here if you are going to complete activity number 1. Okay, activity number 2. So you've got A, B, C, D, and E to answer for this question. And you've got some crayons worth £2.60, some pencils worth £4.90, a pen worth £1.75, and scissors worth £3.85. Question A says, how much do the crayons and the pen cost all together? B says, how much do the pencils and the scissor cost all together? C says, how much do the pen and scissors cost all together? D says, how much would 2 packs of pencils cost altogether? And E, pick 2 different items. How much do they cost altogether? Now, you can see that all of these questions end in altogether. So what number sentences do you think you are going to be doing? Well done. If you said add, we're going to be adding for all of these questions. So look at the key bits of information. I've highlighted them for you to help you and work out the answers. Pause the video here if you are going to be completing activity number 2. Okay, activity number 3. This is one of the challenges. So you've got 3A, B, C, and D. Paula has £10. Oh, that's not the one I wanted. 1 second. Sorry, guys. Wanted the highlighter. Here we go. So Paula has £10. Can she buy a bus and a duck? So you need to say yes or no because. And then what 2 toys could she buy? Oliver has £10. Can he buy a teddy and 2 balloons? So again, you need to say yes or no and why. So I'm really looking for sentences that look like this. Yes, because, and then tell me why. No, because, and then tell me why. Okay, and then C. Sarah wants 3 ducks. How much will this cost? So you need to work out how much 3 ducks would cost altogether. And then D, pick 3 different items and find the total cost. So that is that challenge for you. Pause the video here if you're going to complete this challenge, and there is an extra challenge on the next slide. Okay, then this is another challenge. I know a lot of you said that you were finding maths really easy at the moment, so this is a big challenge for those of you who are finding it really easy. So this question, add 2 amounts together to make a total less than 8. And then you've got all the totals here, and I want you to find all the possibilities that you can. Now, this is where you're going to use your systematic combinations process that we looked at last week to help you to find all of the possibilities. Okay, the next question. Hugo's used coins to show the solution to this problem. £1.73, add £2.76. There are 9 coins hidden by this splat. What could they be? So you're going to draw the coins, and you've got 9 coins to draw. And they've got to total what is here. And then the last question, Xander has used this bar model to represent an addition. He thinks he has lost 2 coins. Do you agree? Explain your reasoning. Now with this one, again, I'm really looking for, yes, he has lost 2 coins because, and then tell me why, or no, he hasn't lost 2 coins because, and tell me why. Now with these questions, it's really important that you are explaining. You have to use that because word in order to explain it. Please make sure you upload all of your work to Tapestry Gandhi class. I will see you next time. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.